Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the charger is set for the battery voltage and type. This prevents overcharge and damage. Once done, put on gloves and eye protection, and make sure the area is ventilated because batteries can emit gas. Next, turn off the vehicle and any accessories, then remove jewelry to avoid short circuits. Finally, locate the positive and negative terminals and clean corrosion if present. These first steps ensure a safe, effective charge and set you up for the next actions. You connect the clamps next, attaching the positive clamp to the plus terminal first, then the negative to the terminal or a chassis ground. Doing positive first reduces spark risk. After clamps are secure, select the correct battery type and a charge rate, 2A for slow maintenance versus 10A for a quicker bulk charge, because current affects battery life. Then choose timer or automatic mode. Confirm the charger displays the correct voltage and status lights, and press start so the charger will manage the process reliably. You end by letting the charger indicate a full charge, then power it down and remove clamps. Negative first, then positive, to avoid sparks. This order keeps you safe. Once disconnected, allow the battery to rest for 10 to 15 minutes so surface charge dissipates, and then test with a voltmeter to confirm state of charge. If things go wrong, charger won't start or shows faults, check the charger fuse, clamp connections, battery voltage, and that the battery is vented. Addressing these common issues usually gets you back on track.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.